Greetings to all. Agenda for today's lecture session is abstract class. So already I have given definition for the abstract class in my previous videos, but here in this lecture session we will see abstract how to implement abstract class practically. Okay. Definition: a class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods, and it needs to be extended and its methods implemented. It cannot be instantiated. See that a class which is declared with a keyword abstract, that called as abstract class. And an abstract class contains two kinds of methods. uh, the methods that are having body, and another kind of method is the methods that are not having body. So methods that are not having body called as abstract methods. So having body is called as non-abstract methods. And you can see that abstract methods cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot create an object for the abstract class directly, and but indirectly we can create. So how we can create the object for the abstract class, we will see that in practical. So syntax for the abstract class, see that this is the syntax for abstract class. Abstract class will be created with the keyword abstract, and it contains abstract and non-abstract. Abstract means the methods which are not having a body, non-abstract means the method which are having a body. So what is abstract method? A method which is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as abstract method. Does not have implementation means what? It doesn't have a body. So right, those methods which are not having a body will be ended with a semicolon. See that this is the syntax. Methods will be declared with a abstract keyword. So those methods which are not having a body is called as abstract methods. We will see those practically here. So here I'm uh, creating a abstract class with abstract keyword. The class name is TCS. Under the class I have a method working in, and that method is abstract method. So because it was an abstract method, it doesn't have a body, it was ended with a semicolon, right? And here I'm taking one more class, that is normal class, general class. So the general class is extending the abstract class. See that company extends TCS. TCS is abstract, company is a normal class. So normal class is extending TCS, so that using extract we can get extends keyword, we can get all the methods available in TCS. So while working in method will be available in class company. So right now I'm giving implementation for the working in class, or sorry, working in method. See that void working in. So it return type is void, right? So I'm using the same return type and method name. So here I'm giving implementation, that means body of the method. I'm working in TCS, and I'm taking public static void main method. So here you can see, so as per the definition we cannot instantiate the abstract class, but here I'm instantiating the abstract class with the support of child class constructor. This is constructor, right? So child class, company is a child for the TCS, right? So TCS is the parent class, company is the child class. With the child class constructor I am activating a parent class object, so that what will happen means, so all the methods available in TCS class will be activated. And you can ask me that it doesn't have a body, right? But body was provided in the child class. So you can call object working in. So what it is called means data abstraction, hiding the data, hiding the implementation details. See that here object was object was whose class object, obj is whose class object, TCS object. TCS is an abstract class. So here we are hiding the implementation details, we are hiding the implementation details. but we are providing the implementation details in the child class. So this is called data abstraction. Data abstraction. See, we will execute this thing. Here I need to change my drive directory java c company company.java executed. I'm done. I'm working in TCS. So we will see one more example with the constructor. So abstract class can have its own constructor also. So we will see that I'm taking a class bike, and that was abstract class. As per the definition, abstract class contains abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods also. And here I am also adding abstract class contains what? Constructors also. So bike constructor is same like a class name, right? Here I am providing body for that. Here you can see, and I'm taking one more method, abstract method. That method name is run. Okay, so it was an abstract, so that it was ended with a semicolon, no body for that method. I'm changing, I'm taking one more method, change gear. So that is non-abstract method. That means it is having a body. This one is a constructor, this one is an abstract method, this is non-abstract method. So here I am closing my class, and I am taking one more class. That class name is Honda. So Honda extends bike. So using extends keyword, I am accessing each and every method available in bike. So all the methods will be present in Honda class. And here you can see that in the child class I am providing implementation details for the abstract method, right? See that? So I'm taking driver abstraction driver class. So from here I will control my program. So to control that I need my main method. So in the main method, so I'm creating object for the abstract class, object for the abstract class with the support of child class constructor. So if you do this thing, if you write like this, it will return an error. See that? So run this. So see that bike is abstract, cannot be instantiated. So how to instantiate the abstract class? With the support of child class constructor. What is the child class for the bike? Honda. Honda is a child class. So here what will happen is, when you call the child class constructor, so constructor propagation will be happen. That means this constructor will call parent class constructor, then this object will be activated. So once it was activated, using this object you can call every method available in bike. And here one thing you must note, that using child class constructor, the constructor will automatically call base class, parent class constructor. So that what is the first statement will be printed here? The first statement will be printed, bike is created in the output panel. Bike is created. The second statement will be obj.run. Obj.run method contains what is the output statement? Running safely. And obj.gear change. So this is the this is the line of printing statements on the console. You will see that I will save this and again same statement, run this, compiled successfully, run this. So bike is created. First the constructor of abstract method was printed, then after running safely, then after gear change, right? And here one more thing I want to tell you, if you have given, if you are creating one more method, void x, system dot out dot println hi. So if you want to access this method, using obj dot x, so but obj is the object of bike class, but this object was initiated with Honda. So what will happen? As I said, using this constructor we are activating only bike class related variables and methods, but x is not related to bike class. So x is the own method of Honda class. So it will give an error if you access x. So we will see that also. Again I'm compiling, see the error is method x cannot find the symbol, right? So how to rectify that error, how to access x and remaining methods also? Here you can use Honda instead of bike. So in the bike all the methods will be inherited, sorry, all the bike class methods will be inherited to Honda. So all methods of bike will be available in Honda also, and as well as Honda contains its own method. Now you can access all three methods using this object. We will see that. Yes, no error. So what is the output? Anyone expect output? See that bike is created, running safely, gear change high. So bike is created is a constructor, right? Constructor, what constructor is that? Bike class constructor. Bike is an abstract class, but not only that, bike is a parent of Honda class. Automatically constructor propagation was happened there, right? If you have any doubts regarding abstract class, you can comment below and subscribe the channel. But before that, what are the key points that we have to take from this lecture? The key points to remember is, see that an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword, right? It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. It cannot be instantiated. It can have constructor and static methods also. It can have final methods which will force the subclass not to change the body of the method, right? Comment below if you have any questions. I will reply as early as possible. Thank you.